We are in Windows 2012 R2 server, and I'm going to show you how to add in the virtual desktop, remote desktop services role. So inside Server Manager, let's go ahead and click Add Roles and Features. And let's go ahead and choose Next. We're going to choose the remote desktop services installation. That way it'll put in all the services that we want in one shot. We don't have to select them individually. It's certainly possible to do it through the role-based and feature-based, but this one does it all for you all in one spot. Makes it a lot easier. Now we can choose the standard or the quick start. We're going to choose the standard so I can show you the details of everything that's happening. And we have a couple of different options here. We've got the virtual desktop deployment, which is what we want. You could also do the traditional session-based deployment, which is what we used to call just terminal services. We're going to go with virtual desktop. Here's our 3 roles required for virtual desktop. Let's go ahead and choose Next. And if you're in a cluster situation, it's a good idea to have a separate server be your connection broker. So let's go ahead and choose Next. All right, now we have our web access role, and we can certainly add the same server for that and choose Next. And now it wants the virtualization host server, and we'll choose the same server one more time. And we can actually choose both of those if we want. All right, looks like it's all set to go. We'll go ahead and tell it to restart the server automatically once it's done, and we'll hit deploy. Now each of these services will take a little while to install. We'll just go ahead and fast forward through the end of that, and after the reboot we'll pick right back up. After it starts to reboot, you'll see the configuring Windows features. Do not turn off your computer, so just be patient and it'll be done in a second. Alright, the server is back up, and if we go to the Tools menu in Server Manager, you can see at the same time it also installed HyperV Manager as well, because that's going to be required in order to make virtual desktops work. Alright, so that is the installation portion of setting up virtual desktops, and in future videos we're going to show how to set up the web access, the broker role, and how to set up virtualization hosts on multiple servers, and also clustering. So take a look at the playlist and you'll see all those different additional videos that we'll have in there. We like to break up the videos into smaller ones so that way you don't have to watch a really long video just to get one thing that you're looking for.